Did I get you? Oh well. So what are we up to this week? Oh, a lunch date, huh? That works for me. I mean, I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, so I'm actually pretty hungry. My outfit? Oh, thanks. I'm glad you like it. I think it's super cute too. Okay. Let's get going. Okay. Let's go get some food before you start looking like a big talking hot dog. Oh wow, this place looks so cozy. Can we sit by the window? I actually prefer window booths, because the seats are usually more comfortable. Great. Now let's take a look at the menu. Oh my god, they serve strawberry lemonade here? Alright, inside voice, I'm so sorry. Well, I'm not sure what I want to eat though. I kind of want waffles, but that might not be the kind of thing to eat for lunch. You know what? Waffles it is. Yeah, that was me. Oh, it's kind of embarrassing. You thought it was cute? Thanks. I guess. Oh, not again. What? Oh, it's nothing. It's just, this guy who rented me a few months ago. Well, he seemed really nice at first. And he was funny and confident. And I actually had a really fun time. But now he's starting to get a little much. Well, he keeps booking entire days with me, and while we're together, he keeps trying to push the limits of... Well, he keeps trying to push the limits of what's allowed. No, well, nothing like that. I just mean he keeps trying to hug me all the time, or well, I accidentally, touch my leg, stuff like that. Well, once you've been doing this job for long enough, you learn to tell the difference between the people who are in a bad place and may actually need a hug, or the creeps who just, want to brag about what they did with a pretty girl. But yeah, this guy's definitely in the latter. That's not even the worst part. He found out my personal contact info and will not stop messaging me. Well, yeah, I reported him to the agency, and they banned him, from using the service ever again. But there's not much that they can do about him having my contact info. Well, they passed all the relevant information over to the authorities, but even they can't do anything about him unless he actually does something. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to burden you with all my troubles. I mean, this is a date. We're supposed to be having fun. Oh, I know what'll turn the mood around. Do you want to get a really big strawberry lemonade and share it? Great. Oh, these waffles are amazing. This is just the sugar rush I needed. You know, between the waffles drowning in syrup and this gigantic strawberry lemonade, I'm just hoping I don't get a sugar crash and fall asleep on the train home. So, what do you want to do once we're done eating? A ride on a ferry? You mean like a boat? That's... I'm sorry, but I'm kind of scared of going on boats. I know this is silly, but I can't help it. I get really scared, like I'm gonna fall in the water, and I start to panic. Is there anything else you would want to do? Oh, I know, why don't we go back to the arcade? We haven't been there since the first time you rented me. Cool. Okay, let's finish up eating here and then we'll head out. Hey, looks like I almost have enough tickets to get that giant teddy bear. Well, I know it's not really big, but look, it's so cute. Oh, that's really sweet of you, but you don't have to give me your tickets. You won those fair and square yourself. You really don't mind? Oh, okay then. I mean, if you insist. Thank you. You really are a sweetie. And now thanks to you, I only need a couple more. I think I can do it if I play one more round of skee ball. Huh? Oh man. Oh, did the little girl beat me to it? Oh well. It's probably for the best. I definitely don't have enough room for it at my place. I don't know, maybe I'll get like 200 erasers instead or something. Although I probably don't even have room for that either. Anyway, I think I'll just hang on to these tickets for now. I can always come back another time. I can use a little pick-me-up. You want to get out of here and get some coffee? It's on me. Great, let's go. Oh, no, I'm fine. I just, well, I wasn't really expecting you to just take my hand like that. It kind of caught me off guard. What? No, I don't mind. Let's just go get some coffee. Oh, that's so good. I definitely needed the caffeine. I'm sorry we had to find a food truck for this. I didn't realize all the cafes were gonna be closing. You don't mind? Are you sure? Okay then. No, you don't have to pay me back. It's my treat. Yes, really. Consider it a thank you for always making our date super fun. I'm serious. I always have such a fun time with you. You know, every time I see that you booked a date with me, I get really excited. And then I just spend the rest of the week counting down the days until I gotta go on the date with you. You too? Well, I'm glad you're enjoying yourself around me. Oh, oh damn. Well, looks like our time is almost up for today. What do you say? Wanna walk me to the train station? Alright, let's go. Well, once again, this has been super fun. I hope you plan on renting me again. Great. I'm sorry again about, ruining your boat plan. Hey, this really isn't my place, and if you're busy, you can say no, but would you do me a favor? Could you possibly rent me for the whole Wednesday afternoon? I wouldn't usually ask something like that, but the guy I told you about earlier just messaged me saying that he's free then, and he said he's going to rent me. Yeah, the agency did ban him, but I guess if he makes an alternate account from a new email and a different IP, he can still have full access to the service. I think. You'll do it? Right now? Oh, thank you so much. I owe you big time for this. Oh, hang on a second. I got a little lip gloss on your cheek. There, all gone. So you made it for Wednesday afternoon? Great. I'm glad I got to spend it with you. In fact, hand me your phone for a second. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put anything shady, okay? Thank you. And there you go. That's my, personal number. Well, I just enjoy talking to you so much that I thought maybe we could, stay in touch. Outside of the rental dates. Well, plus this way we can plan out what we're gonna do on our dates together instead of all the work just being on you. Oh, good. Can I have your number too? Awesome. Here, you can put it in my phone. Thanks. I'll text you later, okay? But just like the cheek kisses at the end of our dates, you gotta keep this between us, okay? Great. Alright, well, I'll see you on Wednesday then. I'm gonna go wait at the platform for my train, okay? You can head home now if you want. I'll be fine. Yeah. Bye.